Welcome back. Now we are looking at chapter 2, talking about your day. Morning. I wake up in the morning. Repeat after me. I wake up in the morning. Now the time of the morning would be until 12 p.m. So, for example, I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Afternoon. In the afternoon, I eat lunch. And the afternoon is from about 12 p.m. until about 6 p.m. Evening. In the evening, I like to relax. In the evening, I like to relax. And the evening can be from 6 p.m. until midnight, which is 12 a.m. Work. I go to work every day. I go to work every day. Home. I stay at home on Sundays. Home. I stay at home on Sundays. Very good. Let's go to the next words. Eat. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Drink. It's important to drink water. Sleep. I sleep at 10 p.m. Busy. Today is very busy. Relax. I relax by reading a book. Very good. So we can use these words to talk about your day. And I want you to say these words and these sentences out loud. Improve your English and join my group English speaking class. Email me at info@britishharry.com for more information. The class costs a small fee. Again, you can email me for more information at info@britishharry.com. We have this word busy. So busy is when you have many things to do. Relax is the opposite of busy. So when you are relaxing, you don't have many things to do. And we can see in the picture, the person is relaxing. He's reading a book. And busy, this lady, she has many things to do. Now, let's try to fill in the blanks here using the words. So you can pause and try to fill in the blanks. Let's have a look at the answers. I wake up in the morning. I eat lunch in the afternoon. In the evening, I like to relax. I go to work every day. On Sundays, I stay at home. I eat breakfast in the morning. I drink water after work. I sleep at 10 p.m. Today is very busy. I relax by reading a book. Very good. Now let's try some conversations. Conversation 1. Good morning. How was your morning? Busy. I had a lot of work. Did you eat lunch? Yes, I had a sandwich. Now I want to relax at home. Conversation 2. Hi, what are you doing this afternoon? I have more work. I am very busy. Don't forget to eat something. I will. After work, I will go home and drink some tea. Conversation 3. Good evening. How was your day? Very busy, but now I can relax. Are you going to sleep soon? Yes, after I eat and drink some water at home. So I want you to read these conversations, practice saying the sentences. Now let's listen to a story. A busy day. Every morning I wake up early and eat breakfast before I go to work. My office is very busy, so I always drink a cup of coffee to start my day. In the afternoon, I usually eat lunch with my friends from work. Sometimes I drink tea as well because it helps me to feel awake. In the evening, I go home. At home, I like to relax after a long day. I eat dinner with my family and we talk about our day. Finally, at night, I go to bed and sleep at 10 p.m. Then the next morning, my busy day starts again. Very good. So we have a nice word here, usually. This is part of adverbs of frequency. We can use words like always, sometimes, occasionally, usually, never. So this shows how many times we do something. So this person usually eats lunch with her friend. So she does this quite a lot. But here I want you to practice using these words, and I want you to see how, as you start to progress, you can use these words in full sentences. Perfect. Well done. You did a great job today, and I will see you in the next chapter.